So hi everyone, myself Aman and I again welcome you to our YouTube channel of MathsBuddy, your one-stop solution for all your mathematics doubts. So let's get started. So today I have another question. I am coming up with one more interesting question. I mean, it's the same question but a slightly tricky one. So if you can see in your screen, I have been given a cosec theta. Okay, please apologize for my handwriting. This is the best I can write. So it means cosec theta is equal to root 10. Find all trigonometric ratios. Okay, what I mean by all trigonometric ratios, you have to find out your sine theta, you have to find out cos theta, you have to find out sec theta. Cosec theta it's already given. You have to find out tan theta and cot theta. So what I will suggest you is just take a pause. Okay, just pause the video and try it yourself and just come back. Okay, so I hope you have tried it. So let's see how we are going to solve this. It's also pretty simple, straightforward. So if we can see here, it is written cosec theta equal to root 10. Okay, so let me first draw a right angle triangle. Okay, as I have told you in the earlier lecture that always remember the perpendicular and base will make 90 degree. Now, but before that, if I talk you about cosec theta, right? Cosec theta is what? Cosec theta is opposite of sine theta, right? Sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cosec theta is what? Her hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Just a reciprocal, right? Now hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is root 10. Okay, hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1. So okay, so this is basically my cosec theta. This one is my perpendicular and this one is my hypotenuse. Okay, now if I'm going to find out, so I have to first find out base, right? And we know that Pythagorean theorem is what? Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, correct? Now if I talk you about hypotenuse, then we can put root 10 whole square equal to perpendicular square, that is what? Your 1 square plus your base, that is your b square. So that is, so here is the important property. Always remember, whenever we are multiplying two square roots value, it will give me a. Okay, this is the property. So if I'm going to multiply root 5 into root 5, it's going to give me 5. So if I'm going to multiply root 10, it's going to give me 10. It's going, okay, so it's going to give me 10. Now this one is my 1 and this one is my b square. Now if I go here, 10 minus 1 equal to b square, which is give me 9 equal to b square, which gives me plus minus 3, correct? Plus minus 3, because I will take the square root. Now here interesting thing is that length cannot be negative, so I will just ignore this minus 1. I will take plus 3. So finally my third length, my base is basically 3. So I got my perpendicular 1, I got my hypotenuse 10 and I got my base 3. Now I can find out all the remaining 5 trigonometric ratios, right? So let's go one by one. So I will write it down here. Hypotenuse, perpendicular, base. So hypotenuse is root 10, perpendicular 1 and base is 3. So let me start with sine theta. So sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. I am repeating multiple times so that it get, pasted in your brain. So revision is the key to success, you know it, right? So sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so it's give me 1 upon 3. We know the cosec theta is just a reciprocal. Okay, 1 upon root 10. So cosec theta is what? Cosec theta is what? Root 10. And let me go with cos theta, base upon hypotenuse, so 3 upon root 10, and sec theta is what? Root 10 upon 3, just reciprocal. So tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base, so 1 upon 3. Cot theta is what? Cot theta is base upon perpendicular, so 3 upon 1. Okay, so these are all the complete six trigonometric ratio. So again, the key pillar here is, key thing is that you should always keep in mind this hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular plus base square and all the standard results. Okay, that what do you mean by sine theta, what do you mean by cos theta. I mean 3 is the most important because rest 3 are reciprocal. So focus on sine theta, focus on cos theta and tan theta, because rest 3 are reciprocal. These all are reciprocal. So cosec theta, then here sec theta, then we talk about cot theta. Okay, so I am just going to summarize it. So always keep this in mind. If I talk about sine theta, it is 1 upon cosec theta. If I am going to say tan theta is 1 upon 1 cot theta. If I am going to say cos theta, that is 1 upon sec theta. So always keep this in mind, that you need to remember only these 3, because the rest all 3 are reciprocal of the existing 3. Okay, thank you.